Flippy the Soldier Bear here. Finally got this. Let's get this open. We're gonna take a look, see what's inside. Oh. I think I got it. What is it? Oh. Okay. Look at this. Sorry for showing that. All right. Oh, the Terminator on the DVD. See the front, spine, back. Holy, this is the DVD. This is people just get many copies they want. Remember, I got like the all 3 movies on the VHS. Let's see here. A fast collaborator and shocks piece of work. Arnold shows but has a Los Angeles tie as the Grizzly and the most brutally killing ever to ever survive of the eternal steel metal trap of a movie of the Hollywood Reporter. The Terminator fires on an universal, the thorough universal twisted and heart stopping nurse that never let's up for a minute or really in 2029 giant supercomputer collides hell bent exit of the human race and to destroy man's future by the system of the past, but they send and first individuals of cyborg as they turn back in time to kill Sarah Connor. So wait, Linda, or the woman who will one unborn son who will become mercilessly holding hope, but can Sarah protect herself from this unstoppable to save her unborn child or the human race anniversary by the one being hung of a metal a heroines. Wow, that's just, I know, I watched the movie. See, like, rated R. This is the DVD. I'm still gonna get a movie collection. So this is how like sometimes like the future and tell me, comment below if you know about this. Have it? Yeah. A cyborg in disguise. So I guess the movie was just the future. These have like a 3D attraction in Universal theme parks. Alright. Alright, thank you for watching. You can go ahead, comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I hope you like this video. Give you a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Until next time.